Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make this cute bow sash, great for any cord. You can also change its colorway, material, you can use lace, fabric, and so on. So let's begin. For materials, you'll only need felt fabric, hot glue gun, scissors, and paper for the pattern. So this project is really simple. All you need to do is cut a 3 by 16 centimeter rectangle. For one whole bow, you need to cut 2 felt rectangles on your fabric, and this one bow has two of the strips. As you can see, the tassel and then the main part. So all I'm gonna do is cut 16 strips of the pattern onto every sheet of felt that I have in every other colorway. I have lavender, sax, and pink, and that would give me for each color 8 bows. Just keep going and just trace your little rectangle. It might take a while because you do have to cut out later 48 of them, but working with felt is really easy, so you shouldn't have any problem. Now I'm cutting off what will be the middle wrap of the bow, and you can just eyeball this. Actually, it doesn't have any measurement. It'll look good regardless. Now start gluing the end to the middle of the strip. Once that is dry, you have to then pinch inwards and glue down without completely gluing the entire bow in half. That's because you're gonna fold the bow again outwards, and then you'll have this effect as if it's a fabric bow, and it's gonna look really cute. Now add the second strip. You need to pinch down and just glue it, and then add some more glue on top. Make sure the wrong sides are facing to the back so you have the clean sides facing forward, if that makes sense. Now all you have to do is repeat the process on all of the strips. That would be 48 strips. And remember to make 8 bows of each color, so pay attention when you're doing all of the strips. Don't make them all into bows. That happened to me, so I'm just saying. At the end, when you have all of your bows ready, all of the 2 strips glued down, just add the middle wrap, and that would be it. And at the end of the strips, you can cut them diagonally to make a fishtail, and this makes them look so cute. Now decide which way you want to glue them on next to each other and just keep gluing them until you finish it off. Now you are finally finished. This might have taken a while, but it's so worth it. I think it's so cute and I want to see if you make one. So yeah, here is the finished look. I put this cord very quickly and I hope you liked it. Thank you all for subscribing. Bye!